Good Friday evening, everyone. Okay, I started something because I just wanted to see if it was possible, because I saw these amazing placemats on Amazon, and I actually thought they were thicker than they are, but that's okay, because that's why I did the test before I videotaped this, and we still don't know. We won't know until tomorrow. So I found these amazing placemats, and I'll show you in a second. 2 different styles. This one was so similar to the idea of my mandalas that I was doing that I thought I'm going to give this a try. Ordered them, and they're a lot thinner than I thought. But the resin that I have been using, Maple Craft resin off of Amazon, is thicker, and it seems to be working. So can you see how intricate this is? And this is how thin they are. Okay, and I thought they were thicker. So we are going to see if my same idea. So what I've done is I mixed up the resin. Didn't even have to wait for it to thicken up because this is a thicker resin. I mixed them up, and these are the colors I used. I used Bluebird and Jade from Color Passions tints, transparent tints, and I made up a beautiful green, the green and the blue, and I'm going to do the center, as you can see. Let's brighten this up a bit, guys. See if that'll help for you to see and for me to be able to see. Is that a bit better? Yeah, hopefully. I might be shadowing it as I do it, but so I'm just, because it's so thick, it's not running like crazy out of the container. I'm going to do the center petals in this green, and then the blue for the other petals. But let's start. I have resin left over if I run out, to mix up some more, but I should have enough of the green to do what I want to do. I have taped this down. Taped it down to this, can you see, thicker plastic. I taped it. Hopefully it will be enough. And when the resin is poured in, it will keep it flat while it cures. So don't mind me if I'm not talking much, because, you know, I can multitask a lot of things, but talking and concentrating has never been one of my strong points. And you definitely need to concentrate while you are doing these. My mandalas, when I came up with the idea of the squeeze bottle, instead of just trying to pour them and constantly wiping up the board, which then wipes the paint off of the wood mandala, I came up with the idea of the squeeze bottles, and it worked great. So I was praying that because this is a thicker resin, this would work for these thinner placemats. So fingers crossed, everybody, that this works, okay? Because that would be so cool. You can use them as placemat. Or what I may do, if it's flexible enough, put it in a bowl idea and give it some shape, but we will see. Okay, well, I have a bit of green. Do I have enough to go around one more time? Let's just do the odd petal. One problem with it being so thick is it staying at the opposite end. Okay, I think I'm going to leave the green. Oops. Which is okay, because I spilled it all over here. Let's pour the blue in to the tube. Can you see me doing this? Yep. Into the squeeze bottle. This is a pretty blue, really pretty blue. Okay. Now, let's start moving out. I'm going to start moving out at the top, get it done, and then go around the sides. I'm hoping it doesn't spread underneath, that it just stays put. There like that. I should have taped. Okay, fingernails are under your gloves. Don't work the way they do without a glove on. Let's continue on and just hope for the best, right guys? That is all we can definitely do, is hope for the best. You don't need much in each little area. Those tiny, tiny ones I think I might just leave clear. Leave open. I hope you're saying your prayers for me and crossing your fingers. Okay, this is sticking up way too much. So far, knock on wood, guys, it's not spreading underneath, but I think it's going to in a few spots. Okay, so I'm going to leave this for a second and take you over and show you what I'm doing to the second one. And then I'll come back to that and end this video so you don't have to sit and watch me do all that. So this one I flipped upside down because what I'm going to try is to paint the resin on it, and then it will show through when it cures to the other side. And I'm using Blue Changing Sparkle by Color Passion in here. This also is on top of that hard plastic and taped down. Not sure how this one's going to work either, but you don't know until you try, right? This one would have been just way too much to try to fill in each separate little hole, so we are not going to do that. Right. I hope everybody's doing well. All you guys in our group, Resin Artists Without Borders, who are entering the challenge, remember, tonight's your last night, because I am posting them tomorrow for everybody to pick their favorite. I wish everybody good luck. Since I've already seen all the pieces and no one else has, I'm telling you right now, it's not going to be easy to decide. I'm thankful it doesn't have to be me, because they are all fabulous. You guys are amazing artists. Amazing artists in our group, but I knew that. You're all fabulous. Luckily, I have leftover resin because I'm going to need it. And this is probably going to need 2 coats to completely do what I want it to do. We'll need this first coat to hopefully close up most of the holes, but then another coat would definitely seal them all up. So let's pour some more resin in here. Let's get the sparkle, Blue Changing Sparkle. It's this one by Color Passion. By the way, guys, all my new stock, everything new, is up on the website. We've got amazing glitter glass. We've got Myers. From Myers, I got their fusion glass, German fusion glass. We've got real glass. We've got chrome powders. We've got all of, well, quite a bit of Color Passion. I'm going to add some more colors in the next time I place an order. We still have the sale going on with my tints, what's left of my tints and my powders and my glitter. That glitter, by the way, I've got a very fine, new, very fine glitter in. That is gorgeous. So get over there and take a look, guys. A few of the things are limited edition because I don't know if I will get them again. Depends on how they sell. But we will see. And I'm hoping to keep bringing in some new stuff depending on how you guys are doing. I'm loving that I get to try different resins. now. Not that I didn't like mine, I did. It's just there's so much competition out there now with other amazing resins. So I get to try them, but right now the one that I found, this maple crafting resin off of Amazon, is fabulous. They are from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, so it's a Canadian product. I really like its thickness, and as you've seen in my other tutorials, it is amazing for bringing out lacing and cells. I have not once, knock on wood, had it not do some great lacing, and that's without even trying, just blowing it around. So hopefully it will keep doing that. And if I want to do a piece that doesn't have lacing, then I will try another another resin and see what I like out there. But for now, I'm really liking this one. And obviously, the thickness is a big help in what I'm doing tonight. If I was using my resin, it would be so thin, I wouldn't be able to do this. It would be spreading all over, but this is a very nice, thick resin. And yes, this is definitely going to need 2 layers. But that's okay. I kind of figured it would. Okay, so guys, I'm going to keep on going with this mandala one. I'm going to call it that, even though it's not. And we will check them out tomorrow, and I'll let you know how it goes. So for all my wonderful family out there, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe. I'm praying this is over soon. Canada is kind of in big trouble because we're having an issue getting the vaccine. But hopefully, fingers crossed, things will get going again. So you guys stay safe. Have a wonderful weekend. And thank you for joining me. Bye for now.